Hello and welcome everyone to the new video, and today we are going to take a look at some moments where karma struck at the perfect time, so let's get to it. Here we have a stolen Porsche, very nice car, and oh, a nice move by the cop. He blocked him very nicely, and now the cop is like, why are you running? But he's not gonna get far anyways on foot, so there's that. This guy completely ignored the red light, and now the almighty Prius, the fastest police car ever, is on his tail now. Here we have another guy who thinks that the traffic lights are for fools, and now he's gonna have to deal with a little bit of freedom, if you know what I mean. Oh, here we have a smart one. He thinks he's better than others. Now reverse, and that's what you get for being a little, you know what, B. It's a shame when you beat someone in a race and they just turn on blue flashing lights. Oh, a nice little orange McLaren. I'm not sure what he did, but probably he was speeding. So, there's that. This is in Australia, I think. Oh, he's doing a few little cheeky donuts. That's gonna be expensive, I guess. Everything is good for now. And of course, Mercedes driver who thinks he's the most important here, and he doesn't give a crap about everybody else. And there's police right behind him. He's gonna get pulled over, but sadly it's not gonna stop him from doing it all over again. So some people are just stupid and always will be stupid, so yeah. Let's see here. Oh, a little bit too fast. And you all know what that means. That's unmarked police BMW. He's still probably clueless. He's gonna find out soon, and there we go. Lights. Nice job, police. That's 1 point for them. This one is going a little bit too fast, I think. Not too much, but still. The cop will probably just give him a warning or something, because honestly, he was not going that fast, so yeah. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, overtaking on double solid line. That's bad. That's a huge fine, you know. They're probably gonna revoke his license. Here they are. The good thing is they saw what he did, so he's gonna get what he asked for, so justice is served in this one. And yeah, I have one tip for you today. The police can't take your license if you don't have one. I'm just kidding. Don't drive without your license. That's not good. If there was a Nobel Prize for the biggest in the world, the guy who drives that white SUV would get it, that's for sure. I don't know how arrogant you have to be to do something like this. You block someone on purpose, and now the guy in a green pickup is mad. I understand that, I would be too. The real question here is, will this guy manage to free himself? write your guesses in the comments below. He keeps on knocking on the door. Knock, knock, knocking on a SUV's door. Hey, 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 hey. That was the worst singing ever. Now let's get back to the fight. The SUV is still standing strong, but the green pickup is refusing to give up. And that was a knockout, I guess. And all of this is just stupid, the whole situation. It's so unnecessary to do something like this. I'm talking about the guy in white SUV. It's so stupid to block someone on purpose and just, you know, just walk away from your car. And I guess he got what he deserves. So let's move on to this one. This black Land Rover, I think. He thinks he owns the road, and now he is getting pulled over. Oh, it's so satisfying to see something like this. It's so good. And it's time to wrap up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.